You see, we have a huge blind spot when it comes to choosing who we build with. We find a business partner, a collaborator, or even an audience member who speaks like us, think like us, and share the same vision for the future like us. Because they understand our ideas and use the same language we use, we automatically treat them like equals on the board. We tell ourselves that shared ideas means shared ability. But if you look closely at how this partnership usually end, you will notice a pattern that most of them collapse in frustration, disappointment, or quiet stagnation. The vision did not fail. The relationship did not fail because people stopped agreeing, but it failed because you confused understanding an idea with being able to execute it. There is difference between someone understands an idea and someone is able to execute the idea. Now let's look at the rule underneath this, which is the law of comprehension asymmetry. Understanding an idea and creating a result from an idea are two very different levels of power. A person can listen to your idea, they can nod their head, they can repeat your words perfectly, they can even sound like you or exactly like you. But when pressure arises and thinking becomes difficult, many people cannot produce that level of thinking and idea on their own. When you build a structure believing that everyone who understands your philosophy carry the same level of execution, you make a dangerous mistake because you place a heavy weight on pillars that cannot carry it. The system loves this illusion because it convinces builders to divide their energy, their ownership, and their future with people who are only watching the game instead of playing it. Wisdom teaches us that not every container carries the same weight. If you pour a clean water into two different cups of the same size, but one of the cup is strong and the other has a crack at the bottom, you will get two different results. The water is the same, but the result is completely different. Now, the problem is not the water. It is never the water inside the cup. The problem was the container. Many people spend years trying to improve the message when the real problem is the person carrying it. Now, here is the standard you should start using from today. Practice behavioral verification. Stop giving partnership, ownership, or inside cycle assets simply because someone agrees with your idea. Test execution first. Give them a small task. Give them responsibility. Give them friction. Then watch what happens. Do they move with initiative or do they return with excuses, confusion, and endless supervision requirements? Pay attention to what the answer is, because people's actions will always reveal their limits faster than their words. Keep the wrong people at the edge of the circle. Protect the center of your structure, and never hand over half of your throne to someone who can only repeat your voice but cannot carry your weight.